We would like to give you a brief introduction on Shikino High-Tech as a company, with the focus on their camera solutions. We will only highlight the most important facts, so feel free to stop the playback to read all details. Shikino has its headquarters location in Japan. It was established in 1975, so it has now a history of 50 years. The president Mr. Takahashi leads a team of around 450 people. Shikino is listed on the Tokyo Stock Exchange Standard Market. Sales revenue in 2024 was 6.5 billion Japanese yen, around 42 million euro. Shikino has three main businesses. First one is its electronics system business department. The second one is the microelectronics business department. And finally, the third one is the product development business department, which handles camera and camera system products. Before we start with the camera product details, let's dive into the company's 50-year history, major product groups and its locations. Shikino was established in 1975. In the following decade, the first two business units for development of electronics were started. In 2004, the camera business unit was launched. With this solid base, the business volume has been expanded year by year. Since 2021, Shikino is listed in Tokyo Stock Exchange. As mentioned in the beginning, there are three major business units, in which Shikino organizes its products and solutions. Shown in green, the microelectronics business department. Its focus product are IP cores, especially JPEG codec IP for image processing. In orange, the electronics system department, handling the system test equipment, for example for burn-in test. And in blue, the product development business department with its embedded camera module products, which is our focus today. To give an application example here, Shikino has the mayor's share for ATM cameras in Japan. Here you can see the locations of Shikino's offices and factories all over Japan. They are coded in the business unit colors just mentioned. For our focus on the camera product line, the factory in Yuzu in the Toyama Prefecture has to be outlined as the production site. This factory is nearby Shikino's headquarters, while the development and sales are handled from the worldwide known cities Tokyo and Osaka. Now, let us dive into Shikino's camera module portfolio.
The camera portfolio can be split into two main applications: vision and sensing. For vision, you can choose from a wide range of camera modules, which are equipped with different sensor resolutions and rolling or global shutter. A choice of commonly used interfaces is available, as well as lens options. The sensor cameras feature an additional integrated processing unit. These modules can be used to handle different tasks directly on the module. For example, they can perform barcode recognition, image desqueezing, or even run AI-powered algorithms. It has to be highlighted that depending on your request, Shikino offers semi or full custom solutions. You can benefit from their collected broad application experience since 2004 and get a camera module tailored to your needs. Why use a camera module from Shikino? What are their core strengths? In this overview, you see the 5 main pillars of Shikino's high-quality product offering. We would like to go into more detail of these now: customization, excellent support system, various lens lineup, manufacturing technology, and high product quality. And last but not least, long longevity. In addition to the standard product portfolio, the semi and full customization to realize a tailor-made solution for your application is a key benefit. Let's have a look on this now. If the standard camera modules by Shikino not include the perfect match for your application, but the set of sensor parameter and interface match, get in contact with us to discuss a semi-customized solution. If it's a different connector, sensor orientation, modification in the mechanics, special operation parameters like high temperature, and more, Shikino can change these parameters to meet your application and product needs. These possibilities are available even at low project volumes, starting from 100 pieces. You need a camera solution which is not available on the market yet? Shikino can develop a camera module for your needs from scratch. For this, their highly skilled engineering team will work with you on every detail. Shikino's experts will make the perfect proposal about the choice of components, like the image sensor or lenses, image processors, interface implementation, integrated lighting solution, and more. Additionally, the firmware and mechanical implementation will be tailored to your requirements.
Shikino manufactures all camera modules in their own factory in Japan. To achieve the high product quality and reliability, this factory is equipped with an internal clean room, where the assembly with leading-edge manufacturing technologies takes place. Shikino has a long-standing and close partnership with the manufacturers, which produce the components required for the modules. This close relation makes it possible to achieve their best possible matching inside Shikino's cameras. To maintain the highest quality goals, Shikino has established an own certification system for its in-house inspectors. This guarantees that all products meet the specification completely when they will be shipped out to you. Focused on industrial, medical and other applications aside from consumer use, Shikino offers a long longevity. Parts and materials are selected carefully on the assumption that its products have to be supplied for long term. And even when a component is affected by an end-of-life situation, Shikino commits to develop a succeeding camera module with the same specification. As a customer, you can be sure that a suitable replacement will be available as a drop-in while your application's lifetime. This benefit was the key in winning the largest share of the Japanese ATM market. Shikino delivers these customers for more than 10 years now.
We hope you have a detailed view on Shikino's camera solutions now. Before coming to the end, we would like to give you a glance on other applications than ATM where Shikino's products are doing their work.
Here you can see that Shikino's cameras support terminals, factory automation, test and measurement equipment, and surveillance. But also, the emerging application in robotics, drones, and autonomous vehicles are in scope of Shikino.
Thanks for watching.
If you have any question or need more information, get in contact with Ineltek, Shikino's distribution partner, for more details.